Johnny, and I'm going to be discussing component stories in this video. So we're currently looking at a solution called Product and Technology Portfolio, and we've navigated to our Stories page from the left-hand side here. Within this page we can see our data pool story, our component stories, and our satellite stories. A component story essentially contains all the building blocks that people can use for their satellite stories. So this could be views, calculations, panels, or forms. So let's take a look at a satellite story and how we can use a component story. If I open up my Team A satellite story here, I go to the top left-hand side and choose my scope. I can see there's a tab for components. If I click on this, you can see I can choose to include a component story. Once I've done this, we'll see that more views are populated on the left-hand side from our component story. So how do we go about creating a component story? Let's go back to our navigation and open this up. As you'd expect, when you create the story, you include it in your solution. Once you've done that, you can simply come to your story setup, go to your Enterprise tab, and you're able to change the story type from component to satellite based on what you're doing.